Hello everyone, welcome for joining me today. This is your first time here. My name is Unwana Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So in today's video, we're going to look at why you must take your personal finance seriously. Now, before we jump right in, I just want to let you know I am not a financial advisor. I am not a tax professional. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube sharing content with my subscribers to help you mitigate some risk out there when it comes to your personal finance. So thank you so much for joining me. Now, why do I say you need to take your personal finance seriously? Well, unfortunately, most of us are not taught how to manage our personal finance. So in terms of budgeting, in terms of cash flow, in terms of building assets and minimizing liabilities. So this is something that's not taught in schools. This is something that's not taught at homes. And in my previous videos, I seem to sound like a broken record, and I'm trying to sound the alarm for people out there that you need to wake up and take your personal finance seriously, because we live in a society where we're all consumers. Now, I'm not saying it's not good to consume, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you consume wisely. Now, what do I say by that? Unfortunately, for most people, they live paycheck to paycheck, and trust me, I used to live paycheck to paycheck, and sometimes it was very difficult to make ends meet because I had limited resources, and I was always trying to accomplish a lot with such a limited resource. So unfortunately, most of us, we earn a paycheck, and then by the time the paycheck hits the bank account, it's already gone, because we have to pay for all our liabilities and all our obligations that we've gotten ourselves into. So the key is to make sure that you sit down and you get a grasp on your personal finance. And this is what I'm doing also. So I'm not just here trying to preach, but at the same time, I'm also implementing things that I'm talking about in my videos. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have a budget for yourself. I know I sound like a broken record, but this is critical, because when you have a budget, I know the word budget sounds restrictive. Most people find budget time consuming to set up, and some people don't even attempt to even set a budget up because it's just so overwhelming. However, even if you just keep track of your expenses, keep track of your spending, and also keep track of your income, that's a budget by itself. And this way you can figure out if you have a positive cash flow at the end of the month, or you have a negative cash flow. So start with a budget. A budget is the base, is the foundation for you to get yourself to the next level. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that once you have that budget set up, you want to make sure that if you have any consumer debt or things like that, you want to start tackling them. I'm in the process of tackling my own consumer debts that I have accumulated over the years. Like I said, I'm not perfect, but I'm here trying to share content with people that can help you. Okay, I'm speaking from a position of experience, of going through certain obstacles in life. Okay, so when I make these videos is to ensure that I am sharing content on things that I have personally experienced myself. So once you do that, then you can start acquiring assets and minimizing your liabilities. So you can start a business, you can start increasing your income, not just cutting expenses, but you can increase your income as well to get yourself out of any rut and pay down your consumer debt. And then once you get that, you should make it a focus for yourself to make sure that you're increasing your asset base. Okay, just like Robert Kiyosaki, if you've read his book Rich Dad Poor Dad, you want to make sure that you're spending your time accumulating assets that produce income for you. So if you found this video exciting, if I know this is not an exciting topic, but if you found this video valuable, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and also hit the subscribe button so YouTube will notify you on my latest videos. And also make sure you check the link below. I have a link to a basic personal finance course that I created to help people out there. So check it out. The link is down below, and see if that meets your needs, if it can help you get yourself out of any rut you're in. So I just want to thank you again for being here today. But my main thing is you need to take your personal finance seriously, because that's the only way you can create wealth for yourself. We're just coming through, it's been over a year and eight months. We're still dealing with this health crisis, and it doesn't look like things are going to change. So you want to make sure that your personal finance comes first. I know, we talk about health, but I mean, after health, you want to make sure that you take care of your personal finance, because the people that are going to make it in the future are those that set themselves up financially. So thank you so much again for being here. And as usual, don't forget to leave comments down below, and also check the links below to sign up for my course. Okay, and I'll catch you in my next video coming up. Take care. Bye-bye.